Well, it's day 2 of my project, and I decided not to use my white caulking last night on any of this stuff. I went back to the store. What do you suppose I got? Remember I told you I thought they had it in beige? Here's what I got before. It's white. Okay, and it's Dynaflex 230. I went back to Home Depot. Voila! See there? Almond. They don't call it beige, they call it almond. See that? Look at that. That's going to blend in rather nicely. So I'm not going to use any of the white. I got plenty of the almond. I don't know how much I'm going to need, but here's a tip for you. If you think you need 2 tubes of caulking, get 3 or 4. I think I can get done with this whole project with 3, and I got 6. Because, and see, those are the ones I got from yesterday. And that's because no matter what you do, no matter how careful you plan, you're always going to have extra. And I can always take back the extra tubes that I don't use. Because here's the other thing. If you got two extra tubes left and you think, oh, I'll use them sooner or later one day. Well, a year goes by and you use a little bit out of one tube, and then pretty soon you want to use some and the tube is all hard because you waited too long, you know. So I always try to look and see what type of caulking I have, and think to myself, okay, when am I going to use the unopened ones, and maybe I should take back certain ones next time I go to the store. And when I was there, I got some 4-inch long lag bolts. I've got the 3.5 from yesterday, and I only had one 4-inch left. And I don't know if I'm going to need any 4-inch. I might only need 3.5s up here to secure this a little bit better. See, that's why I was going to secure it. Remember, see how far it is away from there? And it was like that all the way down, even right there. But see how I got it tight now because I use those lag bolts. See, I've got a couple lag bolts in there, right there. And then I'll fill those with caulking and use a putty knife to flatten it down. It'll probably take 2 coats, and see there's lots of places where I'm going to have to caulk. You know, see that? Nothing I could have done with the wood. And I'll caulk all the way along the edge, down at the bottom, up underneath there, and along the joints and down here, and fill that up. Any place where I see. So before I do any caulking, I got to get up there with an extension ladder and bolt that down. I don't know if I'm going to be able to bolt it as tight as this all the way along. I don't know where the backing is and all that kind of stuff. I'm thinking there's backing all the way along there, so I might get lucky and get that bolted, but I'll do the best I can, and then I will caulk the rest. It'll look good when I get done, and I'll show you, don't worry. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.